Now let's check out the main master modules, and the invoicing of Smart Travels. First of all, let's move on to the Airlines module. Here we can enter the details of Airlines. User has to click on the new button to start the module, where the user has to enter the airline code and airline number. User can save the details by click on the Save button. User can edit or delete the existing airline's details using the Find or Edit button. Click on the Find or Edit button will pop up the Find Airlines page, from where we can select the preferred details. Now let's move on to the Sectors module. Here we can enter the sector details. User has to click on the new button to start the module. There the user has to enter the sector code and sector name. These fields are mandatory. User can save the details using the Save button. User can also edit or delete the existing sector details using the Find or Edit button. Click on the Find or Edit button will pop up the Find Sector page, from where user can select the preferred sector details to edit or delete. Now let's check out the functions of Invoicing module. We can access the Invoicing module or the Item Sale module from the Transaction module. Otherwise, user can use the shortcut button to access the Item Sale module. Using this module we can manage the sales transactions. We can enter new sales entry by click on the New button. We can select the airline's invoice number, invoice date, ticket number, location, customer, sector, employee, currency, and number of passengers from the topmost portion of the sales module. We can directly define the customer right away from this module by click on the blue button placed besides the customer field. We can also define the airline and sector right away from this module by click on the blue button placed besides the corresponding fields. We can also select the print type from there. Now check out how to add services into the module. Double-clicking on the service field will pop up the Find Service page. From there we can select the services. We can select the days, quantity, unit, etc. for each services. We have a discount amount field placed at the bottom right corner, where we can enter the discount amount. Besides the discount amount field there is a checkbox named as After Tax. The discount amount will minus from the total amount that including tax if the After Tax checkbox is ticked. Otherwise the discount amount split to item-wise before tax. We can choose the payment type from the top left corner of the module. If the payment type is cash, user will get the payment details section in the bottom left side of the module, where the user has to enter the payment details. There we can select the payment type. If the payment type is cash, user can select ledger, amount, and payment date as well. If the payment type is check, then the user has to select the ledger, check number, check date, amount, payment date, and also tick the PDC checkbox, if the check is a post-dated check. We can save the invoice by click on the Save button. Click on the Save button will pop up a dialog box asking do you want to print the invoice. If we click on the Yes button we'll print the invoice bill. We can also edit or delete an existing invoice using the Find or Edit button.